What's the meaning of biography? Biography. Biography.
Biography. Biography. Biography refers to a written account of a person's life, usually highlighting important events, accomplishments, and struggles. It can cover a wide range of aspects of a person's life, including their childhood, education, career, personal relationships, and even their legacy after death. Biographies are often written by scholars, journalists, or people who knew the individual personally. They serve as a way to gain insight into the successes, failures, and experiences that shaped an individual, as well as the social, cultural, and historical context in which they lived. Biographies are widely read for both entertainment and educational purposes, providing inspiration and understanding of the human experience.